Robot Max Solar System Quiz Adventure.
Today was Liam's 8th birthday. A fun day passes and night falls.
You got so many presents, big brother.
And the strawberry cake was delicious. What a happy day. Wow, the stars look amazing tonight.
They're sparkling so brightly.
I wonder how Max is doing. I wish we could see him again.
Oh, a red shooting star.
Max?
Full throttle transformation. Engines on, hero mode, drive. Liam! Emma! Long time no see. How have you been?
Wow. Max, you really came to see us.
I missed you so much, Max.
Happy birthday, Liam! Here's your present.
Wow, a rocket toy. It's so cool. I love it. Thanks, Max.
But this isn't just any toy. Full throttle transformation. Engines on, hero mode, drive.
Whoa, it turned into a real space shuttle.
Max, that's amazing.
Now it's your turn. Full throttle transformation. Engines on, hero mode, drive.
Wow, we turned into real astronauts.
Max, that's amazing.
Huh, our bodies are getting smaller.
Max, that's amazing.
Liam, Emma, today I'm inviting you to a trip through space.
Really? That's awesome.
Yay, yay.
Please, step aboard the shuttle.
I can't believe this. This isn't a dream, right?
My heart's racing.
Engines firing. Space shuttle launch. All right, blast off. We've safely broken through the atmosphere. Let's tour the solar system.
Amazing! We're really flying through space. Earth is getting smaller and smaller.
Space. Space. Hey Max, where's the Milky Way? I want to go there.
Okay. Emma's request, Milky Way, here we come.
Wow! Max, the Milky Way is beautiful.
So many sparkles. I want to get out and take a walk.
All right, but just a short spacewalk. Don't wander away from me.
Woohoo! My body is floating. This is amazing.
Yay! So many sparkles. It's beautiful.
Liam, look, this galaxy has about 200 billion stars. The sun is one of them.
Space is so huge and full of mysteries. I want to learn more.
Sparkle. Sparkle. They're everywhere.
Emma, don't go too far.
Emma, come back here.
No, don't. Help. Help. Help me.
Emma. Emma.
Emma's been kidnapped. I won't forgive you, jellyfish alien. Full throttle transformation. Engines on, hero mode, drive.
So cool. Max turned into an Ultraman hero.
Liam, hop on my back. Let's rescue Emma.
Hold on, Emma. We're coming.
Full throttle transformation. Engines on, hero mode, drive. Where is she? Where are you hiding her?
Give Emma back, you squishy jellyfish.
If you want the little one back, answer our solar system quiz, and fix our UFO's programming.
Our UFO's code is written in answers to tricky solar system questions. If you can't get them all right, we won't return her.
What? All right, Liam, let's work together.
Yeah, let's do it, Max.
Question 1. From the sun. What's the temperature of the sun's surface?
About 40 degrees.
Right! And the center is about 15 million degrees. Correct. Impressive.
Question 2. How many days does Mercury take to orbit the Sun?
Earth takes 365 days, but Mercury's closer, so it's faster.
Exactly! Mercury takes 88 days.
Correct. You know your stuff.
Question 3. From Venus. Which way does the sun rise?
The west?
Right! Venus spins the opposite way from Earth, so the sun rises from the west there. I see. Correct.
Question 4. Why is Mars red?
Because it's really hot?
No, it's covered in iron oxide, or rust. That's why it's reddish-brown.
Excellent. Correct.
Question 5. What is Jupiter's great red spot?
That round mark?
It's a giant storm, big enough to fit 3 Earths, and it's been raging for over 300 years. Incredible. Correct.
Question 6. What are Saturn's rings made of?
Ice chunks and bits of rock.
Yes! Thousands of them, some as small as sand grains, some as big as houses.
Incredible. Correct.
Question 7. What's special about Uranus?
It spins on its side.
Exactly! A big collision tilted its axis almost 90 degrees, so it rolls around the sun. That means 42 years of daylight, then 42 years of night. Fascinating. Correct.
Last question. How fast are Neptune's winds?
Over 10 kilometers per hour.
That's more than 10 times stronger than Earth's worst typhoon, the fastest winds in the solar system.
I didn't know that. Correct.
Perfect. All answers correct.
Let's see. Next we input the planets from closest to farthest from the Sun.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Input complete.
Now, from largest to smallest. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury. Input complete.
UFO system rebooting. UFO system rebooting. UFO system rebooting.
Yay! Our UFO is fixed. You did it. Now we can warp home.
As promised, here's the little rascal back.
Max. Liam. I was so scared.
Emma, you're safe.
You're okay now, Emma.
Wah, 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 wah. We were scared. She's super strong.
Whoa,
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 whoa, whoa.
Thank you for your help.
Farewell, friends.
Even if you're in trouble, no more bad deeds. Got
Got it.
Got it.
Got it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care getting back to Jellyfish Planet.
Bye-bye. Hope we meet again.
Well done, team. Let's circle the solar system and head home.
The song was the most amazing, it's so powerful.
I liked Venus best because it's so shiny.
And beyond the solar system there are black holes, time tunnels, and so many mysteries. Oh, Earth is coming into view.
Wow! Earth is so beautiful.
Like a blue jewel.
I've traveled the universe, but nothing is as beautiful as Earth, blue oceans, green lands, white clouds, all miracles.
You're right. We live on an amazing planet.
Earth is a miracle. Earth is a miracle.
You're lucky to be born here. You must protect this miracle.
We will.
We'll take
We'll
care of
take
Earth.
care of Earth.
And Emma, don't wander off again.
Yeah. I was really worried.
But I wanted to give this to Max as a thank you.
Oh wow! Thank you, Emma. I'll treasure it.
Okay. I'll let it slide this time.
Preparing to land.
Thanks, Max, this was the best birthday ever.
Thanks, Max. I had so much fun.
You're welcome. Let's go on another adventure.
Yes.
Promise.
Promise.
See you next time.
Bye, Max.
Bye! I'll come visit again. Be good until then. Full throttle transformation. Engines on. Hero mode. Drive!
And Max returned to his faraway robot planet. The end.